So today I'm going to show you how I do a quick polygel set. Here are the tools that I'll be using to apply those. So first I'm going to go in with my nail file here and just file off the nails here, and then I'm going to go in and fix up the cuticles with my tool. Normally I use a cuticle cutter, but I just couldn't find it for this video, so I'm just using this scraper here. So kind of really push back the cuticles, and I am just kind of scraping the excess of the cuticles off as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my clippers and then go ahead and clip off the natural nail and just kind of shape it into just straight edge or curved. That way it's all one length. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with my base coat. I do suggest washing your hands after filing, but with me just showing this nail, you just get rid of that and then that dust from the nail file, and then go ahead and apply evenly your base coat. Now you're going to go in with the polygel here. I'm just kind of scraping the end of this to use it up, and so otherwise you would just squeeze it out of the tube and then just kind of get your slip solution with a brush and use that to move it around. So once you get a decent amount of product on there, go ahead and just kind of shape the nail and just kind of lay it out flat all together on the nail form there. And then I do pre-measure about what length I want them. That way I'm not wasting too much product. So I just went up to the 4th line that was on the nail form there. Then once you get that on, make sure you work from edge to edge. Then I get my nail clip here to kind of hold that in place and kind of clean up the sides and underneath. And then I use those because those work really well holding the nail in place to kind of work underneath. That way it's not super thick when you go to file it with a drill. Then you go ahead and cure that. Once you cure that for 60 seconds, I grab my nail clippers and I just kind of straighten it out. As you can see, sometimes it clips off, but I just kind of went with the length where it went and it turned out to be good. So once you do that to all your nails, you're going to go ahead and file the top surface off and get your colors that you're wanting to work with. As you can tell, I swatched a couple pinks to see what would go best with the rose that I chose. And this is the pink that I chose. It's just a nice light pink here. And so you're going to go ahead and apply an even first layer on and then cure that for 60 seconds as well. Then go ahead and add the second coat on afterwards. It will kind of remove that streakiness that you see there. Then you cure the second coat and then you apply the third coat, and it just kind of gives it this beautiful, even, soft pink look. And then you go ahead and accessorize with rhinestones and whatever else you choose for. And then the final nail look is the cover photo that I used.